Unlocking the mystery of racking your brains. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard or even used yourself: racking your brains. This expression is a vivid part of the English language, used to describe a situation we've all found ourselves in. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says they are racking their brains, they mean they are thinking very hard or trying to remember something with a lot of effort. It's the mental equivalent of searching through every corner of your mind to find an answer or solve a problem. This phrase is often used when the solution or memory is not easily accessible, and significant mental effort is required. The phrase, racking your brains, has a rather interesting origin. The word, rack, refers to a medieval torture device used to stretch victims. By comparison, racking your brains suggests putting your mind through a sort of torture, stretching and straining to find a solution or recall a piece of information. While this is, of course, a figurative expression, it captures the intensity of the mental effort involved. Understanding how to use racking your brains in conversation will help you sound more natural and fluent in English. Here are a few examples. I've been racking my brains all day trying to remember where I left my keys. We were racking our brains to come up with a solution to the problem. Don't rack your brains over it. The answer will come to you eventually. Using this phrase in your conversations shows that you're making a significant effort to think something through or recall something important. For English language learners, mastering idiomatic expressions like racking your brains can be challenging but rewarding. Here are a few tips. Listen for context. When you hear this phrase in movies, songs, or conversations, note the situation it's used in. Practice using it. Try incorporating the phrase into your conversations or writing to get comfortable with its use. Remember, it's figurative. Don't take the phrase literally. It's about mental effort, not physical pain. We hope this video has helped illuminate the meaning and usage of racking your brains. English is full of such colorful expressions that make the language rich and enjoyable to learn. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rack your brains a bit to master them. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.